What's up everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add or change your profile picture on Pinterest mobile. So if you are using a Pinterest app on your smartphone and if you don't know how to change your profile picture or how to add your profile picture, then this video is going to be very helpful for you. So keep watching. So to change or add your profile picture on Pinterest app, you have to open the Pinterest app on your smartphone. And then you have to click on saved. As you can see, this is my Pinterest account profile picture and I have not added any profile picture yet. So if I have to add or change my profile picture, I have to click on my profile. So also you have to click on your profile. And as you have to change or add your profile picture on your Pinterest account, you have to click on change profile picture. And then you have to select from your device gallery. So let's choose a profile picture. Let me do this real quick. I am selecting this one, and as you can see it says uploading your profile picture, so you have to wait for some seconds. And here it is. This is how you can change your profile picture of your Pinterest account on your smartphone. And if this video is helpful to you, then make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.